Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Katichus. If you're stopping by for the very first time, my name is Katichus. I'm a Lagos-based YouTuber currently in Akure. And if you're a returning subscriber, I love you guys so much. Thank you for tuning in. So guys, let me update you guys how my day went today. Basically, when I woke up this morning, I had to beg my baby boo to help me relax his haircut. So he relaxed the hair for me. Then I went straight to take my bath and daddy took us out. Yeah, we went out for shopping. We bought things we don't have in the house. So basically that's how my day. Okay, when we came back, we went to sleep and here I am now. I just woke up from sleep, washed my face and decided to make this video. So guys, I'm going to be telling you guys a story of how we slept on the street of Lagos last week Tuesday. So guys, last week Tuesday we went to get our car. Actually, we've gone there to get the car before, but on our way coming back the car stopped us and we had to call the mechanic and he took it back to the workshop. Then after like 2 weeks he called us and was like, your car is ready, come and take your car. So on we getting to the place, before leaving the house that day we took 20,000 naira with us. So when we got there, the former battery is damaged already due to the accident, so we had to get another battery. So my husband bought a second-hand battery. I don't know, they called the person that brought it. He bought a second-hand battery. Then they sold the battery 8,000 naira plus the one we had, the damaged one, 2,000 naira. That's 10,000 naira. We pumped our tire. So after buying the battery, we begged the mechanic to follow us just to avoid what happened the last time. So the mechanic followed us. We are going. I was even telling my husband that it's like this car is back to normal, that I don't think this car will have a problem again and all of that. He said, are you sure? Let's be looking at the car. So getting to Sele bus stop, we are approaching Sele bus stop. On we getting there, the car stopped. Hey, Omo, that's the beginning of our problem that day. The car stopped, the mechanic on the car again and we started moving. But after like 2 minutes, the car will stop. After 2 minutes, the car will stop again. As in, like, how will you call somebody to come pick a car that is not even okay yet? Like, if you see the way this car is running, you have to be applying your brake early so that you won't even make mistake of hitting someone. So I had to tell my husband that are you sure this car will take us home today, or what do you feel? I was like, let's be moving. So the car finally stopped, finally, at Pallet, close to where, as if you are approaching a Toyota, for those of you that stays in Lagos. So on we getting to the place, the car stopped. We couldn't move the car could not on again. As in, everything was just doing us. We are just stranded. Even the mechanic don't know what to do. So I had to, we asked around if there is any place we can park the car, then maybe probably tomorrow we'll come pick it up. But I told my husband that this is Lagos, so that you can't trust anybody. You can't just leave your car here and expect it to be here when you come back tomorrow to pick it up. As in, no one can be trusted, most especially in Lagos. So he was like, yeah, it's true. We asked the man, he said we can park it in front of this company, that nothing will happen to it. We are scared. Another person came to tell us that we shouldn't park it here, that is dangerous, that we won't see our car again. They started telling us story of how a car got missing in front of this place. Then I brought a suggestion to my husband, maybe we should find a towing van to tow the vehicle down to our side, just to avoid sleeping outside. My husband said, let's try our best. The mechanic didn't do anything again. He's even telling my husband that he wants to go home, that his place is far, that he wants to break his fasting, all of that. Then I said, okay, no problem. That my husband said, okay, no problem, you can go, since you've decided to leave us in the middle of this road, stranded. So guys, I approached one man. I saw one man by the side of the road. I went to talk to him. He said he's a mechanic, that he can help us. I was so happy. I was like, thank God at last. Because the mechanic we brought with us left us. It was like, it's going that it's getting dark. So okay, the guy came. When the guy came, he said, that is the fuel pump, that the pump is not good. He lost the fuel pump and was fixing it, but along the line he broke something that couldn't be fixed again, so we had to buy another fuel pump. So my husband gave me, good morning guys, how are you doing? So this is like the next day. I didn't finish the video yesterday, so today is a beautiful Friday. Thank God it's Friday. Thank God it's Friday. How you guys doing? Hope you slept well, hope you're good, hope everything is fine. Guys, what are you waiting for? If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and subscribe to this girl, and don't forget to on your notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post a video. So guys, my husband gave him 2,500 naira out of the remaining money, and he went to buy the fuel pump. On him getting there, he called my husband and was like, that the fuel pump is 5,000 naira and they need more money. We don't even know if he's cheating us, we don't know if it's true or not. So my husband was like, okay, try and beg the person to 3,000 naira. If the person agree, then pay. When you come back, I'll give you. So he said, okay, let me try. He called the call. After like few minutes later, he called back and said, okay, the guy agreed to sell 3,000 naira. And he brought the fuel pump. When he brought it, he fixed it, but it's not working. It's not still working. He said it's a rewire issue, so he called a rewire. Then when the rewire came, and meanwhile, it's already 6:30 p.m. So when the rewire came, he said before he touched anything that we're going to pay him 5,000, and we didn't even go out with our ATM card that day. So we begged the rewire to 3,000 naira, I think so. Yeah, to 3,000 naira. Then he started his work. After so many struggle and everything, at that point, I think before they even finished the car, to start the car, it was 7:30 p.m. and we just have 30 minutes because Lagos is on lockdown. Once it's 8 o'clock, everywhere is locked, no movement, no bus, nothing. So finally the car moved, but the fuel will not be able to take us to our house, and we looked for where to buy fuel. All the filling stations are closed, and we decided to buy a black market fuel. Then the rewire and the guy, we are still yet to pay them. But before going, they were struggling, dragging for the money. He was like, we should pay him his money. It's not that we're not going to pay, but my husband decided to do transfer to be on a safer side, not to be stranded, so that we can use the little money we have with us and do whatever we want to do. Maybe like rent hotel, look for something to eat. But he said no, that he can't accept transfer and all of that. Then we asked the mechanic guy. The mechanic was like, the guy that helped us to fix the fuel pump, he was like that he need cash, that we should not transfer to him. So we started looking for, and we didn't even come out with our ATM card like I said before. So later on, later the rewire said, okay, he said we should send the money to one of his friends. But the mechanic guy that helped us fix the fuel pump said that we should wait first so that we can send the money together with the rewire guy. That we should wait and calculate the money. He said we're going to pay him 4,000 naira, and the rewire guy is 3,000 naira. So making it 7,000 naira. We transferred the money, and the mechanic followed us to look for fuel because we wanted to go home that night. So we couldn't buy fuel. Even the black market we didn't see. So we ended up in one filling station. That was the last point for us. The filling station is looking so secured. We talked to the security man. He was like, we talked to the security man and asked him if we can spend the night here. We'll park our car inside the filling station, then sleep inside the car. He was like, he will talk to his manager. So he talked to his manager. The manager agreed. The manager was like, it's not we going back that he can give us fuel, but we going back is risky for us and it's very risky. So I told my husband, let's sleep inside the car, then tomorrow morning we'll start our journey. So we slept inside the car, but it was around 9:30 already. And before then, I went to get pure water, washed our face, and we're just left with 2,000 naira. And that 2,000 naira is what we're going to use for fuel the next morning. So we could not even try spending the money. Started gisting throughout the night. We gist, mosquito, everything, and it was so terrible, guys. So guys, the mechanic guy came the next day to help us. He came the next day to help us, and he drove us home and everything. We even had to thank him. I learned something from this experience. One, whenever you are in any problem, try and decide fast. Think fast because of your safety. So guys, this is going to be the end of this video. View about this video, what you think about this video in the comment section, and guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.